Jasper AI Tool Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Jasper AI, a cutting-edge content creation tool designed to elevate your writing game. Links to Jasper and any relevant products are included in the description below, so feel free to check them out after the video. Jasper AI is a powerful writing assistant powered by artificial intelligence, tailored for marketers, content creators, business owners, and anyone needing high-quality content quickly. Its standout feature is its versatility. Jasper can generate blog posts, marketing copy, social media captions, email campaigns, and even creative writing like stories or scripts. With over 50 templates for various content types, it's an all-in-one solution for professionals who need scalable writing support. One of Jasper's biggest strengths is its ability to produce natural-sounding, contextually relevant content. You provide basic inputs like a topic, tone, and key points, and Jasper delivers high-quality output in seconds. Its Boss Mode feature lets you create long-form content effortlessly, combining commands with preset templates for more control and speed. Jasper also supports over 25 languages, making it ideal for global audiences. The interface is intuitive, and it's clear Jasper is designed to reduce the learning curve. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, expanding existing text, or drafting from scratch, Jasper adapts to your needs. For SEO-conscious users, Jasper integrates with Surfer SEO, ensuring your content ranks higher on search engines. Who is it for? Jasper is perfect for anyone juggling multiple projects or struggling to maintain consistency in content production. If you're a freelancer, agency, or small business owner, it saves time and streamlines your workflow. However, it might not be ideal for casual users looking for free tools, as it's a premium product. Overall, Jasper delivers on its promise. It's fast, reliable, and packed with features that simplify content creation. If you want to scale your writing efforts without sacrificing quality, Jasper is worth a try. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to learn more or start your free trial.